Welcome to Robin's Nest with the boys of Robin's Nest. Sorry.
My name's Sebastian.
My name's Anna.
And I'm Kevin.
Anyways, we are going to be doing a taste test, and we are going to be taste testing
M&M's.
different flavors, but
So what are these ones?
these are coconut.
Coconut. Thai coconut. Thai coconut peanut.
Peanut
And this one?
English toffee peanut.
We international now. We international. All right. So we're gonna start with. Let's start with the English toffee. All right. This is the one with a trip around the world. Vote, and you could win a trip around the world.
Yes.
There was a jalapeno one, but we skipped that one.
No, I do not like jalapenos. I do not like super spicy stuff.
Here you go.
We tried a
For you?
super spicy one.
For you. Hold on. Don't.
He didn't
What,
do it
what
like
color
that.
did you get? Did you get
I
light
got-
or dark?
I got
dark.
There's like 3 different ones here.
I got dark.
But they gotta taste the same kind of thing.
Alright, so here.
I got a
There.
dark.
One.
Here, hold your hand out.
Oh!
See? See? I'm not paying attention. So they got 3 different colors, so I'm just trying to get them all 3 colors. Alright, so we're going to try these. And we'll save the rest for Daddy later. Alright, ready? Go.
Mmm. The yellow one's good.
I think they're all the same flavor, dude.
They are.
It's the mine and the black one. Mmm. But this one was dark.
Not that much.
This one's definitely a share bag.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't eat these all by myself. A little too rich.
Really
Love them.
sad.
You like them? You like them? Bastion, do you like it?
Yeah.
Love them. Love them.
Love them. Love them.
Now it's Thai.
Thai coconut. Thai coconut. And they got like 3 different colors. These are like more
Let's
springish.
get on the tide, dude.
Man, the tide isn't gonna come itself.
Yeah.
Let's come to the tide.
Bruh. We're acting like surfers.
Yeah, brah.
Okay, crush.
What?
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, crush. Nemo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Wow.
These ones are mine.
I do not like them.
It's the
I
jam
love
right here.
I
I
love
like the
them.
toffee.
You like the English toffee? Which one did you like better? You can't like them the same.
I like both of them. Wait, what if we tried both of them at the same time?
Yes.
What
Right.
flavor would that be?
English toffee Thai. English coconut Thai coffee.
Yes. That would be great. Okay, try it.
This is gonna be awesome. Mmm.
It's the same still.
Mmm.
Better that way.
These are delicious.
Yeah.
Together.
Yes. It's still
Looks
tastes
like
like
if someone's gonna eat both of them.
Can you finish what's in your mouth first?
No.
Alright. So the winner is combined.
Yes.
I like the Thai coconut the best.
I like combined.
The combined is pretty good.
I love them.
I would eat the toffee combined. It was just a little rich for me by itself. Alright, so what did you like, Sebastian?
I like both of them at the
Combined.
yeah combined.
Combined.
Combined. Yeah, I like this one.
It's combined
The
for
Thai.
it's okay.
Alright guys.
It's not,
So if you like this video, like it. If you like it so much that you want to share it, then
But wait.
share it. If you like our content, subscribe.
why did you? But wait, if you're first to the YouTube channel,
They won't be first. There's already people there. So,
Yeah.
alright guys. We'll see you around.
uh,